define pan-India film?
Oh,
How do you define a pan-India film?
you define it.
How
We
the
just
audience
make it.
defines it?
When all of India appreciates a film, it becomes pan-India film.
But is
We
this
just make films. Satyajit Ray Saab didn't make pan-India films. He made Bengali films. We made it international. The world made it international. So also that what do I know about Mughal Azam? What do I know about Shambhanagal Saab Ankur? I understood it. We made it pan-Indian film. I made it pan-Indian film. As a fan, we all went and saw it, our jaw dropped, and we adopted that film. It became a pan-Indian film. You are the magic to make a film pan-Indian. India is the magic.
Sir,
Hi.
to your left. Sir,
Can I ask?
here, to your left. Kamal sir, to your left.
Who's asking? Should I ask or?
Here.
Ask, sir.
Well, who?
Here.
Somebody is dubbing for you. 1 minute.
Okay, I'll wait.
That's gonna be a bad dubbing. Sir, so you have been the encyclopedia. So here, like Atli sir said, you have been the encyclopedia of cinema. Be it any cinema in Indian, okay? But when it comes to the Hindi cinema, you have given so many movies, and today it's like the 32 years completion of SRK, and you have directed him, a superstar, and you have directed him. And I want to know how was the experience there, and what is the difference that you see in him
No, I
now?
couldn't hear the question. Could you hear it?
He says remembers you directing a superstar like SRK, and he wants to
For
know.
Hiram.
Yeah, he's made the interview about SRK. This is a question about SRK. So he says he wants to know the difference you see in him since the day you directed until now, because it's 32 years of.
Let me talk
Shah Rukh.
on behalf of Mr. SRK, because I'm sure that he will allow me to do that. When we work together, we are all just people. I don't see a superstar. He doesn't see a super director. Doesn't see. We are friends. As a matter of fact, Shah Rukh Saab made that film for free. And what more do you need? That cannot be done by a superstar. That it can be done only by a fan, a connoisseur of art, and a good actor.
All right.
I'm ever thankful for him. So we don't see all that. Later on, you give us those titles, and we very shyly accept it. Thank you.
All right.
Hi,
so my
Mayur
second
here.
question-
Sir, to your left, please, Kamal sir.
So
Ji.
my second question to Siddharth. Here. Same. You said that you learned so much from Kamal sir, but there is something that kind of intrigues me. Is like, what is one thing that you would like to take from him? Like as an actor.
No, I'd like to answer this with respect to both of my teachers, क्योंकि शंकर सर जिनको सबको पता है, लेकिन every film he does is at a scale जो मामूली लोगों के बस की बात नहीं होती उतना सोचना, समझ रहे हो आप? हिंदी सिनेमा has seen some incredible masters of grandeur and craft like K. Asif Saab and all the way up to Sanjay Leela Bhansali sir, who do spectacle where every frame, यार एक frame create करने के लिए एक दिन लगता है. So Shankar Sir has been doing that since his first film, and every film of Shankar Sir's is what, like he describes, it's an impossible dream, and it's him and the people who believe in him that take it up a mountain and they become forever. So Shankar Sir today also directs, imagines, eats and sleeps and dreams cinema the same way. Like, I've worked with him for 21 years. I've seen him 21 years apart, and Shankar Sir is still the weaver of impossible dreams. I call him the merchant of dreams of Indian cinema, because he thinks and dreams in ways that will give all of us sleepless nights, because it's so expansive. And we were shooting Dada Arare song, and every day the setups he would make me feel like I was in a dream dancing in that song, because to set up every shot it takes 1,200 people, and I have to dance in the middle of it. And I asked him, how do you do this every day? And he was shooting another film parallelly, huh? And he doesn't know, I always keep spying on him and seeing what he's doing on all his sets. He was shooting with 2,000 people in another state for another film one day before. And then he's come here at 4:30 in the morning and he's setting up 1,500 people in a shot. And he says, I only know how to make films like this. And I believe him because that's the dreams that he works with. So Shankar sir is the same. He always dreams the impossible dream. और रही कमल सर की बात, what I took away from him, कमल सर को मैंने 20 साल से मैं जो भी इंटरव्यू में कोई भी अकलमंदी की बात करूँ ना, वो आप अगर थोड़ा गूगल करोगे तो मेरे से पहले उन्होंने बोला होगा. तो मैं बस चेप रहा हूँ उसको, ठीक है ना. तो मैं बहुत वो कॉपी पेस्ट कर रहा था. तो उस टाइम मैंने कहा था मुझे स्टार नहीं बनना, मुझे एक्टर बनना है. तो उन्होंने कहा ऐसा क्यों? तो मैंने कहा बस मुझे ऐसे लगता है. तो ये मैं 20 साल पहले के इंटरव्यू की बात कर रहा हूँ. तो मुझे कमल सर ने सिखाया था कि सबसे पहले मेरा काम है एक एक्टर बनना, ना कि एक स्टार बनना या एक हीरो कहलाना. क्योंकि एक्टर का काम वो होता है जो लेखक उसके लिए लिखता है और डायरेक्टर उससे कराता है. और अगर वो लोग चाहें तो ये तालियां बजेंगी, लेकिन मैं तालियों के लिए भीख नहीं मांगता और पहले 5 मिनट में उसको एक्सपेक्ट भी नहीं करता. तो ये मैंने कमल सर से सीखा है. और सेट पे जो काम चलता था, मैं कमल हासन के सामने खड़ा हूँ और मेरी डायलॉग 1 पेज के डायलॉग दिए गए मुझे. मैं बोल रहा हूँ सर 1 सेकंड. मैं सीधा गया डायरेक्टर के पास. सर मेरे सामने कमल हासन एक्ट कर रहा है सर. मैं बोल रहा हूँ उसके, तू सोच मेरे पे क्या बीत रही होगी, तू चल जाके एक्ट कर वहां पे. सो इट वाज सो एक्साइटिंग फॉर अस टू सी हिम behave like a child. He works like a first timer in every shot. And he does. सब लोग सोचते हैं ना कमल हासन सेट पे है तो वही सब कुछ करते होंगे, वही सब कुछ, प्रोड्यूसर भी वही है, डायरेक्टर भी वही है, वही गाना गा देंगे, वही नाच देंगे, वही सब कुछ कर देंगे. वैसे उनमें काबिलियत है, वो कर सकते हैं. लेकिन वो क्या करते हैं, वो ऐसे बस जाके डायरेक्टर के सामने पूरा, उनका बॉडी लैंग्वेज थोड़ा सबमिशन का होता है, बोलिए और वो सुनते हैं ऐसे और पूरा सुन के ठीक है, इतना ही होता है उनका. और बाकी सब इंटरनल है और वो अपने आप को याद दिलाते रहते हैं कि वो उतने पहुंचे हुए आदमी नहीं है. वो बहुत मॉडेस्टी और ह्यूमिलिटी दिखाते हैं. तो दैट्स व्हाट आई टेक फ्रॉम हिम कि आपको जितना भी मालूम हो, जब आप काम पूरी मतलब आप वो क्या बोलते हैं प्योरिटी के साथ करते हैं ना, आपको ये पहले महसूस होना है कि मुझे कुछ नहीं पता और मैं आज सीखूंगा. तो वो आज भी रोज सीखते हैं. और वो मेरे को रात के 11 बजे फोन करके बोलेंगे तुमने ये बुक पढ़ी है. मैंने कहा मैं तो सो रहा था. तो ये बुक पढ़ो. ठीक है सर मैं पढ़ता हूँ. अभी पढ़ते रहते हैं, फिल्में देखते रहते हैं. ही इज अ यूनिवर्सिटी, ही इज अ वॉकिंग टॉकिंग यूनिवर्सिटी. सो दैट्स व्हाट आई लर्न फ्रॉम हिम, दैट एवरी डे बी अ स्टूडेंट. दैट्स व्हाई ही स्टिल सेज मैं कैसे गुरु कहला सकता हूँ. वो अभी भी अपने आप को विद्यार्थी समझते हैं वो, ठीक है ना. सो दैट इज कमल सर एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई हैव लर्नड फ्रॉम हिम.
Hi. To your left, sir, I have one question for Mr.